So I'm going to take my ruler and start at this line, and I'm going to measure 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to bring it down 1/2 inch and connect it. Keep it light. If you make a mistake, then you can erase easily without it destroying your paper, right? And then I'm going to move my paper around. I'm going to do that on all sides. All right, again, keeping it really light. And then I should be left with a approximately 6 by 12 inch box in the middle. If it is like 1 millimeter off, again, please don't stress. From here, and again, this is written on the board, I'm going to break this up into 3-inch squares. Go from left to right on top and bottom. That way, if you have any inconsistencies, they'll be the same. Like my paper isn't quite, my measurements are slightly off, but that's okay. So I'm going to mark 3 inches here at the top, and then I'm going to mark 3 inches at the bottom. And I will be around to check in with you if you're struggling with your measuring at all. And then I'm going to connect. And I'm going to measure 3 inches here. I think I'll make a tick mark at 6 inches too. Again, if you're 1 millimeter off, just make sure that millimeter is consistently on the same side. Mine is like 1 millimeter off. It's not a big deal. All right, yes, try to make sure that your lines are straight. From here, I am going to turn my paper up and measure 3 inches from left to right. I'm going to mark my 3-inch. Again, if you mark on multiple points, it helps to ensure that your lines are straight. All right, and this is what I'm going to do next. Can everybody look up here for a quick minute, even if you're not at this step yet? I'm going to make a quick X through each of these. Everybody look what I'm doing. Making an X by connecting corner to corner, right? And then I'm going to connect this corner to this corner. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Look, mine's not 100% in the middle. It's close. I'm not going to worry. You're not going to even see that. And then I'm going to turn it upside down and do the same thing. Oh, that's not really. Again, don't worry if your cross line is not perfectly in the middle. It's okay. It's not going to be that noticeable. Mine's not perfectly in the middle here, and that's okay.